In today's video, I will show you how you can use the Shopify CLI for the theme development, or if you would like to make any changes in your existing theme, how you can do that. So first of all, you need to have this Shopify CLI installed on your computer. Before installing this Shopify CLI, you need a Node.js 20.10 or higher and Node.js package manager npm and git 2.28 or higher. So how you will install this Shopify CLI in your computer? Run this command npm install -g at the Shopify latest on your Windows machine, and if you have Mac, then you can run this command brew tab shopify/shopify and brew install shopify-cli. So let's open the cursor and we will try to pull this Shopify theme locally so we can work on that and make changes in our theme. So my current theme is Horizon, which is live. So if I open this cursor, the editor, and once it is opened, let's close this one and keep this one. So open a project and I'm going to create a new folder and I will call it Wixo checkout, and inside that I will create another folder, let's say the theme folder. I will select this folder and now I am inside this folder. I will open terminal and I have already installed the Shopify CLI, but if you have not installed, you can simply copy this command and type Shopify npm install the latest Shopify CLI. So it will take few seconds to install the Shopify latest CLI in your machine, and you can check that by Shopify version and it will tell you which CLI you have. You have the 3.8 current version in your machine. So now we are going to download the theme in our local machine. So how we can do that? We have to use this this documentation, and to download the theme we need to copy this command Shopify CLI. Let me separate the window so you can see that. So to download the Shopify theme we need this command. Let's copy this and paste that over here, and from here you will need to change the store name, and you can grab that store name from here, which is Wixo checkout. Okay, you can type .myshopify.com if you want. Otherwise, if you don't want to type this, you can simply enter this command, and after that it will ask you to log in to your computer. Make sure you have the access. I am already logged in with my account, so now it is giving me the theme name. Then my live theme is Horizon and unpublished theme Dawn and Kickstarter Fayaz, and the development one is this one is for the development. So if I go back here and I can show you, this is my live theme Horizon and this is custom and the Dawn theme. I will select which theme I would like to download. So in my case I will download the Horizon. The live theme, I will download the files and it will instantly download all the file of my theme. You can see I have all the theme files over here. Now if I go back to the documentation, make the customization, we need to run this Shopify theme dev. So let's copy this command and run that over here, Shopify theme dev, and it will start the development process. And you can preview your theme locally by on this URL. Let's copy this URL and open this in a new window, and you can see I can see my Wixo checkout locally on my machine. And similarly, this is the live version. This is the live version, and this is running on my local machine. So if I go back here and open theme.liquid file, and above the main, if I type h2 and close that h2 and make the changes, this is my test changes. I'm making these changes and save them, and this you can see these changes instantly on your local dev environment, and these changes are not will not reflect on the live theme. So it is taking time to load my live site. So it is taking time to load my site. Okay, let me type the password, and this is my live site running on this URL, and you can see I have no changes over here. And on my local machine, this is my test changes, and you can see these are the changes are only applied in the dev environment. So if you want to add these changes to the live theme, how you can do that? You can simply copy this command Shopify push, and then these changes will be reflected to the live theme. So I open a new terminal and I say Shopify theme push, and these changes will be pushed in the theme. Okay, which theme you would like to push these changes to, the live, to the unpublished dawn theme, or where? So I will push these changes to the live. Yes, confirm. And now these changes are being applied to the live side. So if I reload the live side again, and these changes will be reflected on my live side. So now if I go back and remove these changes from locally and save them, and if I reload this dev environment on my local machine, you see we don't have that change, but on the live side we still have that change. So you can make you can open a new terminal and you can type Shopify theme push to deploy the changes to the live server again. So you can finish your development on your local dev environment, and once you are fully done, you can push these changes to the live theme or whichever theme you would like. So this is very easy to use make changes in the Shopify theme by using the Shopify CLI. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know if you have any question. I will be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.